Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at Vareva.com. Do you guys know they make kind of steamed idli using adai dough? Yes, they do. So dear friends, today we're going to learn idli adai. That is very tasty, but we're going to make tempered idli adai. That means we're going to add nice tempering to the batter. First, let's learn how to make this adai batter. You can either use the idli rice or the regular rice, but idli rice is nothing but they are half parboiled rice. You can also buy full parboiled rice which are slightly brownish in color and they smell a little bit stronger, but you can use any one of them. If you don't have idli rice, you can use regular rice, but for today I am using idli rice. And in this we are going to add idli rava also, okay, just 1 cup of each, and in this just 2 tablespoons of urad dal and 2 tablespoons of chana dal. In this we are going to add curry leaves, red chili, and we are going to wash it once. You don't have to wash it a couple of times or anything. And see, unlike idli where we do the fermented dough, here we are going to use a fresh dough. You can soak these ingredients for 2-3 hours, make it and steam it. And they may not be as soft as idlis, but still they have their unique taste which you can enjoy these idli adais with chutneys, pickle. Just wash this once and drain this water and just cover it with enough water to just soak them. You do not want to cover them with too much water either. Add a little bit of hing, salt, okay. Just mix this with the chili, that's the magic, and drop in the chili. And we're going to soak it at least for 2 to 4 hours, after which we're going to put in a blender and make this into a coarse paste. Now that the batter is all ready, we're going to first do the tempering. So for making the tempering, we're going to use only ghee. In this hot ghee, add mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds sizzles, add some cumin seeds, and we're also adding some urad dal. And once this sizzles, add some hing, some chopped green chili, some chopped ginger, and some curry leaf, and switch off the flame. Now our tempering is all ready. We're going to let this slightly cool down and we're going to add it to the adai batter. You can use the tempering and mix it in the batter, or else you can just pour some of this tempering in the idli steamer like this. Wow. And with this little bit ghee, this will not only be super tasty when the idli comes out, and the idlis also will come out nicely. And in this, just pour some of this batter. That should be good. And to make this even more flavorful, we're going to put some of the tempering even on top. Now we're going to put this in the steamer and cook till these idlis are nice done. Usually it takes around 10 minutes of slow steaming. When you are steaming these idlis in a pressure cooker, you don't put the weight on and you let the steam go away through the nozzle. But the steam that is created inside this pressure cooker without the weight, that is good enough to steam our idlis. Now after 10 minutes, just let it rest for like around another 2 minutes after switching off the flame, and then look at this tempered idli. Wow. Now just take a spoon, dip them in the water, and then you will be able to remove the idlis very nicely. Look at this. Now still the tempering is there. Look at these idlis. Nice, soft and perfect. Wow. So I've got the other idlis. Look at these tempered idlis. I'm telling you, they are so soft, better than looks like our regular idlis. Wow. Dear friends, very easy to make, and because they are nice tempered. In fact, I thought this urad dal will not be crunchy. They are nice and crunchy. Wow. I'm telling you, very nice flavor because of the nice ghee we poured on top. I'm going to enjoy a dozen of these idlis, and wow. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning this awesome adai idli with your War Chef. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Wow, these idlis so super. melting in the mouth. Huh?